How to create and register an Instagram account. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, you have to go down in the profile section that is located down below. Click on that. How I'm going to click over here, and then over add accounts. As I click on add account, I have an option of create new account. As I go there I have to create a new username for my new account. So I can take a username, let's say a random username, this reason123. Now it's going to check if the name is available. If the name is not available, but the certain names are available, I can select it from any of these names over here, or I can make some other changes to my name so that it will be available. So let's say I'm selecting this from here. Now I'm selecting next. As I select next, so I have the option of continue with these two accounts, and these two will merge with each other. Whenever I log into any of one account, then it will already log into the second account. But if I say create a password instead, then by creating a random password, then hitting next. Now this is by clicking, I have two options, complete sign up. If I click on complete sign up, I will be able to complete my registration and create account on Instagram. I can also add new phone number and email address to this account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.